Hello boys and girls, it's Miss Emma and the Speech Sound Frog, and I'm going to do the numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm going to write them, but I'm going to write them in my special way. Around and around we go. Down, down, it's 1 you know. Up and over, in and out. Half a snowman I hear you shout. Half down, across, right down. Halfway down, give it a tummy like a clown. Don't forget to finish it off. Start at the top and swoosh like me. Across from the left and finish it, you see. Now we build a snowman, we're going round and round. Give this one a head and stick it in the ground. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'll put this in the members area and then your mummies or whoever lives with you can print it off and you can do it at home. See you later, alligator. So can you see where I'm going here? I'm going to go, now I'm a lefty, let me do it with the right hand, so it might not be brilliant, but I'll do it with my right hand. Okay, so can you see this shows you where to go? Where are we going? Around and around we go. Down, down, it's 1 you know. Up, over, in and out. Half a snowman, I hear you shout. Half down, across, right down. Halfway down, give it a tummy like a clown. Don't forget to finish it off. Start at the top and swoosh like me. Across from the left and finish, you see. Now we build the snowman, we're going round and round. Give this one a head and stick it in the ground. We've got 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Hooray! Hooray!